Hey there, welcome back and thanks for joining me. All my supplies and equipment are down in the description box below. Most of them have links, so check that out. If you'd like this video, hit that subscribe button. If you want to be notified when new videos come out, hit that notification bell. Okay, these have been my thank you cards here lately. And they've been done with the Bombay Inks. Fun, they're very easy, and just there's a lot to them, but not a lot of work. So that's what I want to do, but I want to do it on a bigger scale so you can kind of see how I've been doing these flowers. So the yellow ones are terribly cute. Of course, that was the first thing I gave out, was a yellow one. I'm going to treat a little bit the Bombay Inks like watercolor, and as I'm going to rinse it with water. I won't dilute it any, but I will. All right, I gotta get set up. So I won't dilute it, but I'll rinse it with it. And once it dries, it's there. It's not, you can layer it, it's not coming up unless you use alcohol, and I'm not going to do that on this. All right, so here's some of my colors. I've got the yellow. And I hope I don't regret not putting lids on them. Hi, Henry. Yeah, he's coming here. We're putting lids. Okay, so far, yellow, orange. I'm gonna do a red. We'll do 3 colors for my flowers. For my leaves, I'm going to do, I've got options. Which green? I'm going to do this green because I'm going to use like a turquoisey with it. That's going to be my 2 colors for that. If I want another color, well, geez, where aren't you working? Okay, my dropper's not sucking or dropping, one or the other. Alright, there's that. And I might use a darker blue. Oh, that's teal. Yeah, I'll be using that. Okay. So there are my colors. Quit mixing. Here, I'm gonna do yellow somewhere else. Okay, this is a lot of paint. Normally you don't do it, but I'm trying to be fast. So I'm gonna put down my yellow. This is a big brush. Normally for the cards I use a number 6, and this is my silver black velvet, or number 4, depending on what size. Okay, I'll start a little off center. Okay. I want them to be kind of wet-ish. Now, while this is still a little wet, I'm taking number 4. I'm going to get me some orange here. And I'm just going to put some. Doesn't matter real how. Just doesn't matter. And you'll see when we get all this going and we put our black and white in, how none of this really is playing like you're thinking it's going to. And you don't even have to do that. You can do it later. It doesn't matter. I do it both ways. Sometimes I wait and put it in dry. Other times I do it while it's wet. Yeah, I think that's all my yellow that I'm going to do. Oop, I forgot one. I still have this out. Now, this is where I'm going to go in. Did I do pink or red? I did pink, didn't I? I think I'd rather do red. Okay, now I'm going to go over in this orange area and put some of the red. Very haphazardly. And you may not, you may just stick it somewhere. But I generally try to stay in the colors. Every once in a while I don't. Because I am doing this quick. And this is a great way to loosen up. Alright. Now for the leaves. I'm going to take my big brush again. We'll go in this green. And just wherever you think you want a leaf. I like to do this and then come back and do thin again. Again, it doesn't matter. You just put your shape in. Okay. Now I'm going to go into this blue. Gosh, that's going to be pretty. And I just do this. Okay, pretty much dry. Now, what I've been playing with here is what do I want, orange center or red center? I think I'm going to go with the orange. So I'm taking the bottom of my brush, and I left that one a little big. I don't normally, but I'm also not doing this big of a picture. But I am just indicating there's a center. I'm not drawing a circle. I'm just putting in some shapes, some dots to indicate there's a center there. a little red here and there. So that's all I'm doing. A little yellow would be fun. Well, it doesn't show up much, but something, yeah. Okay, so that's all I do. That's all I'm doing for the centers. Glitter glue is really stinking cute in the cards. I don't know if you can see, but I put those right in the middle. The glitter glue. All right. I don't know which one I want to use. I'm gonna start off using the number 2, and I need black. And white. This is what's cool about these, is once they dry, then you can go back over them with white and it shows up. So that's pretty cool. All right, so this is what I'm going to do. I want to get a point. I don't want it bubbled at the end, but I just want a good point on it. And my water. I am just going to do a really rough outline. Now, look how big that flower got and how different it's changed. And with the brush, you have different widths. It really creates a lot of fun stuff to look at. You can do whatever shape petals you want. And again, I'm holding it way back here because I do not want to have any big control. I just want to have fun with it. And if you accidentally pick it up, leave it. Don't go try to correct it. You do the leaves kind of the same way. I stuck it in the white. Wondered when I was going to do that. Alright, it's staying. I'll do that side. Did I get all of them? I got them all. Okay. I may go through some of the leaves and just put something like that. You don't have to. They're pretty dark. Yeah, I think I'm going to leave them. You can do that with your flowers if you want to put something like that. You can indicate there's a circle. Now, this is the white. And here is where you can either go along the black or just put some lines in it. And I'm really not sure what all I'm doing because I am just seeing when it ever hits the paper. It's going to do what it's going to do. You're talking about forcing to let go. You hold that brush up high enough. But this is fun. It's cute. Okay, we're not done yet. All right, I'm going to take a bigger end and dip it in some of our colors. What do I want to do? Let's do, I don't know. We have plenty of orange. Again, just another element to look at. Adds a different texture. And just makes it fun. All right. I hope y'all enjoyed that super duper quick, fun, no pressures painting. So go enjoy those Bombay inks. Or you could do this with liquid acrylic. So just go have fun.